Alright guys, so a lot of you have been asking me for the sound of the exhaust, of course. So I'm just going to cruise, I'm going to throw some music on, enjoy the ride, and let you guys hear the exhaust. So let's go. All right, let's go. gorgeous. I hope some of that sound translated to camera. Good to get out of this city. So that's what the exhaust sounds like, guys. I think it sounds wonderful. The thing that I noticed is you're just so much more in tune with your bike. Like immediately, like you're just connected with every kind of throttle pull, every downshift. You just know exactly where you're at. You get the feedback that you need. And that's something that I, for a long time, put on the back burner and just said, I don't need it, it's okay. But it's really nice. That plus the ability to have a presence when you're on the road. Tremendous. Does make you feel safer, but don't let that get the best of you, because it doesn't actually make you safer. It just means that you are acknowledged by some drivers. They could acknowledge you in a good way or a bad way, so it depends on the situation. But I'm very happy to have this Racefit exhaust. If you guys are watching this video, thank you so much. Great product, great customer service, and I'm a real fan of how you guys do your Instagram. It's really educational, so to speak. All the questions that you probably get annoyed by like 1,000 times a day, you have a nice concise video, and whoever it is that's doing the videos, who's on the videos, I assume the CEO or owner or something, just a real nice presence. So thank you guys for putting all that together and sending this a week. It took a week to get here from the UK. Amazing turnaround time. I really thought it would be like a month, but thank you guys so much. That's it for today's video. Just a little sound check of the Street Triple RS with the Racefit Growler. I do have the DB killer in it. I have to get the silencer, or the whatever it's called, the one with the material inside, just for the city. But it looks to be coming around pretty nicely. It's starting to blue a little bit on the DB killer, as well as the base of the pipe, the mid pipe. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. If you have, thank you so much. We just hit 500. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.